Let's talk about work prioritization. Organizations have different definitions of priority. It is much more than the traditional P1, P2, P3, or first in first out. Priority nowadays is a combination of factors like what the customer is entitled to, what their journey has been, what products they have subscribed to, or the channel they have reached out on. The beauty of unified routing is that it allows you to prioritize the unassigned items in the queue so that the important ones are assigned as soon as an agent becomes available to work on them. For example, an organization may want that the customers who have bought premium membership are prioritized before others. Or they can also want that all the escalated items need to be picked up first. You can author a prioritization rule set to express how the work items should be prioritized. A prioritization rule set is an ordered list of prioritization rules. Consider every prioritization rule as a priority bucket within the queue, and the items would be sorted in those buckets. The image on the screen is an example of how a prioritization rule set looks like. For example, the first rule, high priority and premium, will find all the work items in the queue where the associated case priority is high and the case category is premium. It will create the top priority bucket with those work items and sort them in first and first out manner as specified in the order by column. So, the first work item to be assigned from this queue will be the oldest item in this first bucket. Similarly, the third rule, high priority, takes all of the other cases and then prioritizes them in the order of the first response time expected. The prioritization rules are aware of the changes in the work item. For example, if the supervisor bumps up the priority of a case, then the prioritization rules will consider that info in the next cycle. Here is a small enactment of the prioritization rules. Let us say there are two categories of customers, premium and normal. And there are two priorities of cases, P1 and P2, with P1 being the higher priority one. The organization wants all the cases from premium customers acted upon first in the order of their case priority before any cases from the normal customers are picked up by the agents. For demonstration, let us assume that there are no agents available to work on these cases. At the beginning, a P2 work from a normal customer arrives and is queued up. Few minutes later, a P1 case from a normal customer comes up. Earlier it would have been queued up after the previous case. But, as it is higher in priority, it will be moved ahead in the queue. Later, a P2 case from a premium customer arrives. Even though it being a P2, it is from a premium customer. So, it will be moved ahead of all the cases from normal customers. Finally, a P1 case from a premium customer arrives. Even after it coming in the last, it will be moved to the top of the queue. Now, when an agent becomes available, she will be given work in that order, irrespective of the order of the arrival. Now, let's see how we can configure a prioritization rule set in the Customer Service Admin Center. In the Queues section, click on Advanced Queues. Search for your required queue. In my case, it is Demo Prioritization Queue. Please note that configuring your own prioritization rules is only available for Custom Assignment method. Within the queue configuration, click on the See More in the Assignment Methods section. Create a custom assignment method. Here you can see that I've already created one. Demo Custom Assignment Method. Select that and click on Edit. Proceed to create a prioritization rule set. Within the rule set, create prioritization rules as per your business scenario. I'm creating two rules such that high priority items are ordered first, followed by normal and low priority items. Now, the prioritization rule for high priority cases is created. Let's create another one for normal and low priority cases. The second rule is also created. And that's how you configure prioritization rules in unified routing. Thank you.